Hola, I'm Puss in Boots. I've retreated here to enjoy my lecture in peace. You see, in Germany, everyone's going loco at Carnival right now. And I'm just wondering if the Google Workspace updates are also cause for fiesta. So let's keep an eye on it.
Layout selection for Zoom rooms and Meet hardware. Whether your company has equipped its meeting rooms with Zoom Room hardware or Google Meet hardware, you can now adjust the layout of the video tiles in Google Meet and Zoom calls from this hardware to suit your needs in both cases. Improved accessibility in Google Meet. For people with visual impairments, Google has added the ability to better support popular reactions like thumbs up, hearts, or the confetti cannon. There are now 4 options that can be selected in the settings. First, do not announce reactions. No announcements or sounds when a reaction is received. Second, play a sound for all reactions. Plays a sound when a reaction is received. Third, announce all reactions. Announces only the emoji when a reaction is received, for example, thumbs up. Fourth, announce all reactions and senders, announces the emoji and the sender of the received reaction, for example, Elisa Beckett and 2 others reacted with thumbs up. New design for Google Meet on Android and iOS. Google has updated the design of the controls in Google Meet on Android and iOS devices. The functions are now arranged more intuitively, so you can find your way around faster and easier. The functionality remains unchanged. Polls in Google Chat. Create and answer polls directly in Google Chat? No problem. With the new survey app, you can get feedback in no time at all, whether you want to ask your colleagues for an opinion on designs or other decisions. The results are displayed directly, and you have the choice between single and multiple selection, as well as anonymous answers. This makes it quick and easy to make decisions without a lot of back and forth. Name group direct messages in Google Chat. You can now create names for your group direct messages in Google Chat. This allows you to better manage your conversations and find them faster. Gmail labels now also on Android and iOS. The data classification labels in Gmail introduced in November 2024 are now also available on Android and iOS devices. This allows you to protect your data regardless of whether you access information from your desktop PC or your smartphone. Clearer access to shared calendar appointments. When you create an appointment in a shared Google Calendar, you can now immediately see who this appointment is shared with. This was not the case before. This ensures that your appointment is really only intended for the eyes of those who should see it. Google Sheets even faster now. Already last year, Google worked on the performance of Google Sheets and, among other things, doubled the speed when creating formulas, pivot tables, and conditional formatting. Now, Google continues to turn the speed. Inserting data is now up to 50% faster when you insert data from one table to another. Filter conditions can also be set up to 50% faster than before. In addition, tables now load existing data up to 30% faster. Super! Because we all know, time is money. Easier management of people chips in Google Sheets. You can now easily convert your data in Google Sheets into people chips. If you have a column with emails, Google Sheets will show you the suggestion Convert to People Chips. You can view the preview and convert your data with just one click. You can also change the format of your people chips in the Format menu to last name, first name, or email address. Diagrams and insights with Gemini in Google Sheets. With Gemini in Google Sheets, you can now easily visualize and analyze data. Simply ask Gemini questions about your data and get valuable insights, such as trends, patterns, and correlations between different variables. Gemini also creates diagrams based on your data that you can insert into your table as static images. Title image function in Google Docs improved. Google has further improved the function for cover pictures in Google Docs. In addition to the previous options, select from archive images and upload from computer, you can now also add images via web search, Google Drive, or Google Photos, or simply insert a URL. In addition, the gallery has been expanded with over 100 new archive images and now also offers filter options for categories such as art, food, and abstract. Restrict access for subfolders in Google Drive. You now have the option to restrict access to subfolders of shared folders in your My Drive folder. By 2026, the principles for restricted access for My Drive and the shared drives will be aligned. video navigation and accessibility with Google Drive video transcripts. Google has extended the automatic subtitle generation for videos in Google Drive to include video transcripts. You can now view and search the transcripts of your videos. The transcript is displayed in a sidebar next to the video player and highlights the currently spoken text. This makes it easy to find specific moments, follow the content, or jump directly to the part of the video you need. Google Voice now supports call delegation. Admins can now assign colleagues as delegates to manage calls from other users. The delegates can then accept, forward, or make calls on behalf of the user. This is especially helpful for executives who delegate tasks to their colleagues. NotebookLM now core service. NotebookLM is a powerful AI-powered research tool. It becomes an expert for you on the data you use in your company and provides you with insights, summaries, answers questions, and allows you to even listen to your data as a podcast on the go. NotebookLM and NotebookLM Plus, which were previously introduced as additional services, are now included as core services for Workspace business and enterprise customers. These apps are subject to the same terms of use as all traditional Google Workspace apps and offer the same data protection and technical support as other Workspace core services. Gemini image generation now in 7 more languages. Image generation in Gemini in the sidebar of the Workspace apps is now also available in French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, and Spanish. Tip of the month: translated subtitles in Google Meet. Are you participating in a global meeting and having trouble following the language? Then the translated subtitles in Google Meet will help you. In the meeting, simply click on More options, then Settings and Subtitles. First, select the language in which the meeting is taking place here, and activate the translated subtitles. Then select the language in which you want the subtitles to be translated. Now you can follow the meeting even without knowing the spoken language.
I'm Puss in Boots, kitty cat groove. Puss in Boots, kitty cat groove.